sweet and salty water. To your left you can see the old town in Gamla stan. Very beautiful view from here. And if you haven't been here already, I can really recommend it, because this is one of Europe's largest and best preserved medieval city centers. It's very picturesque, little boutiques and cafes, perfect to stroll around in. Also very good for souvenir hunting if you still have that on the to-do list. And although Gamla stan is very cute today, life in Gamla stan was not always that easy. Before the industrialization, when Sweden was one of Europe's poorest countries, life was very rough here. Back then, basically the entire city of Stockholm fitted onto this small island, and people worked very hard. They worked 12 hours per day on average, and they were paid very little. Mostly they were paid in food and not in money. But after the industrialization, things started to look a lot better for Sweden. In the time period of 1860 to 1960, Swedish economy grew about 3% per year on average, mainly thanks to export of steel and wood, and also niche companies such as Ericsson, Alfa Laval and SKF. They're all companies that still exist today. And at the end of the industrialization, Sweden had turned out to become one of the world's